I would request Mr. Makarand Narvekar ji to speak few words because he is the person whom we look up every day for all the civic issues, and he's a crusader in his own right. Many times you see he's been taking up issues in person, in newspapers everywhere. And Harshita ji is also here. She is my corporator, so we could not do a program without her today. Thank you, ji. Thank you both of you. Please.
Well, good afternoon to you all. I think this is a subject which is very dear and near to all of us. And the esteemed dais that we have, I think we can't ask for anything better to have a whole wish list with us right now and to actually manifest it. So I think, sir, thank you very much for organizing this because I think the more people are made aware, the more we'll realize how important it is to actually have pedestrianization done in a city like Mumbai. In fact, I just last year had visited Netherlands and there's Erasmus University in Rotterdam, and I did a course for in how to pedestrianize a urban city like Mumbai and world over. But there's something called hardware and something called software. I think, and both should go hand in hand. So, sir, whilst we have organized, you organized a gathering here where there are people from all walks of life, as well as the man in the hottest seat in Mumbai, which is the BMC. So, I would say that BMC or the state government from its on its part, the way we see it today, and being you know, having been a part of BMC, I can vouch for it that BMC has changed its perspective in the last few years. We see BMC engaging with urban planners, we see BMC engaging with private architects, uh, social activists, and so there is a sense of responsibility and awareness in the corporation that yes, we need to stress on these core issues like pedestrianization, making roads less cluttered. But at the same time, somewhere I think having, coming from both, understanding both, stratas, one is the consumer and the other is the provider. I would say that it is very important for us residents also to realize that we from as on our part need to do our bit to ensure that our cities are more walkable, are more pedestrian friendly, and that could start with as little as me not taking a vehicle to my office if it is close by, and let we I'm sure as residents, as all the consumers can make a beginning on that in that sense. But having said that, there are umpteen uh, wish lists that each one of us may have. And having realized that, in fact, we were going to have our Speaker of the Legislative Assembly, Rahul Narvekar ji, attend this gathering as well. But since he is not here, I'll take the liberty that Rahul ji and Harshita ji, in fact, initiated one of the first, and with the blessings of our municipal commissioner, one of the first pedestrian only zones in Mumbai, which is at Kalagoda. So, and let me tell you, sir has been very forthcoming himself. He's had a number of meetings even before he became the municipal commissioner. He had a number of meetings. It is something which I believe very dear to his heart as well, this project. And I thank you on behalf of residents for taking this initiative and gifting Mumbai city its first walking zone, which will be in A Ward, where six or five or six lanes are designated to be pedestrian only. In fact, the work that BMC y'all must, I would encourage each one of y'all to actually go there and have a pay a visit to see the kind of craftsmanship, the kind of work that is being done right now, carried on through the BMC, along with the help of urban planners. And I would say, having traveled world over, I would say it is at par with any other country, be it in Europe or in Asia, So thank you very much, sir, for this. And I take this opportunity that if, and I'm sure it will be, if this is a success, please do replicate this in other parts of the city so that people can actually enjoy the beauty that our this Mumbai city has. So once again, I won't take much of your time. Thank you very much for organizing this. I wish the organizers all the best and would encourage them to have such conclaves, such panel discussions more often. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.